Alright, yeah, so I said we got officially 16 inches in 24 hours last week. Still a lot of snow out. It's also like only 10 degrees Fahrenheit today, so that's like minus 15 Celsius, I think. It is sunny, so there's that, and hopefully it'll warm up to 32 or 0 degrees or whatever the next couple days and melt some snow. But we'll run the ET6 here a little bit, and I already have it full of fuel and oiled and checked it for spark, and yeah, hopefully it'll start up. I don't have it clamped on both ends like I usually do, so we do have a little compression. Should be well flooded now.